Alright, Mr. Bale got sent some more treats. These are whole chicken feet. You can see they're human grade, one single ingredient, and they are good for hips and joints, as well as sugar-free, free from grain, corn, gluten, soy, preservative-free, 100% USA sourced, human grade, free range. It also specifies right here that it's good for dogs' hip and joint as well as their dental health. So here's all the ingredients. Specifies how many pieces per dog size they can have a day. Just a little note. Here is what they look like. He's tried one of these before and he absolutely loved it. So I'm so glad they sent me this big box. And look how cute this is. They sent me a personalized note. Cookie looks so cute. I can't wait to give this to Mr. Bayo, and he's going to absolutely love them. Thank you so much, King Lou.